Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Red Dead Online error code 0x99270008. This error comes when players try to connect to Red Dead Online. Many users shared that the game was working fine earlier, but suddenly it stopped going online and now shows this error every time they try to launch the online mode. According to our research, the error is mostly related to network issues, outdated drivers, or problems with the Rockstar Games launcher. But in some cases, the issue may also come from the server side. First, power cycle your device along with your network. Simply turn off your PC or console and unplug your router. Then wait for a minute, then plug the router back in, and then turn your device back on. Then check if the error still comes. If the error persists, then try launching a new game and play it for around 5 minutes. After that, close it and reboot the game and try connecting online to see if it connects online. If the error still comes, then make sure your system drivers are up to date. One user shared that updating their drivers fixed the issue immediately. So check this and update if needed, and see if this helps in resolving the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the Rockstar Games launcher. Once reinstalled, launch the game again and check for the error. At last, if nothing helps, then visit support.rockstargames.com/service status and check if Rockstar's servers are working properly. If there is a server issue, you may need to wait until it is resolved. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.